Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel and we meet again in the new episode. So, my name is Muhammad Farhan bin Sulaiman and how are you today? Is it good? Alhamdulillah, I'm good too. I'm doing fine and I'm just staying at home. So, in this video for this time, I'm gonna teach you how to make Panna Cotta Mango. Now let's get what the ingredient to make a Panna Cotta Mango. So let's start cooking right now. 1, 2, 3. Let's start. So this is the ingredient that have to prepare. So we must have the firstly is the dairy white cream. This is dairy white cream. And then we must have the full cream milk, cream, sugar, water, gelatin, and the last thing is the mango. And then, before I forget, we must prepare the utensil. We will use to make the Panna Cotta Mango. So this is the ingredient to make the Panna Cotta Mango, and this is the utensil we must prepare before we make this menu. So first of all, we will make first thing we will make a white mixture. Okay, so how to make a white mixture? The first thing we will put dairy white cream, and then after we put the dairy white cream, we whisk slowly and slowly. And then we put the full cream milk. Okay, so we already done put the dairy white cream and full cream milk. Okay, mix and mix well. Make sure you control your heat and continue mix well the two ingredients. Okay, so after that we put the sugar. Okay, we will put the sugar, mix again. Until well. Okay everyone, so we move the next. We must prepare the gelatin and the water, and then we must liquefy the gelatin and pour into white mixture. So make the gelatin first. Okay, put the water in the gelatin and then stir and mix well. We put this gelatin into the white mixture. After we put the gelatin in this white mixture, we mix well. And still together the ingredient the gelatin and the white mixture. Okay, after we mix this white mixture, we close it and remove. The next step, we will make the ingredient for the mango mixture. Okay, everyone, remove the next, and then we will make the mango mixture. So, what the ingredient to make the mango mixture? First, we must have the mango. Second, we must have the gelatin, sugar, hot water, and blender. So this is the ingredient, and this is we must have to make the mango mixture. Okay, first we will put the mango in the blender. We put the mango in the blender. Okay, we continue. After we put the mango in the blender, we put along with the sugar. Okay, after we put with the sugar, bring them to get the mango puree. So we close the blender and we will blend the mixture. Okay, and then we will liquefy the gelatin and pour into the mango puree. So you must have the gelatin and the hot water. Put the hot water and mix well the gelatin with the hot water. Okay, after we done mix the gelatin mixture with the hot water, the gelatin we will pour it into the mango puree in the blender. So we will pour it the gelatin mixture into the mango puree in the blender. Okay, after we put the gelatin mixture, we will continue blend the mango puree. Okay, so we move the next. I will show you how. Now we already done to make the white mixture, and I have the 2 cups, and then we will pour the white mixture into the glass that has been like a tilt. Okay, ensure that is it half glass filled, and after we already pour it in the glass or cup, we will let it cool and refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. So we have the 2 glass of cup. Make sure we put half only. So we are already pour in the cup, the white mixture into 2 cup. Okay, so after we pour in the 2 cup, we will again spin out. We will let it cool in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. So we will put in the refrigerator and let it cool in 1 hour only. So that's it, doing how to make a Panna Cotta Mango. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to convey, and I hope you can cook well and you guys can enjoy a dessert with your family. Before I leave you with the petition, I wanna say thank you so much all of you that's watched my video from the first episode until last episode today. So the last word for me is please stay safe at home, stay safe, hashtag we take care ourselves. Oleh itu saya mengucapkan ribuan terima kasih kepada semua penonton-penonton yang sudi menonton video saya selama daripada awal episod sehingga akhir episod pada hari ini. Dan juga saya ingin mengucapkan ribuan terima kasih kerana sudi menyokong saya dan juga rakan-rakan saya dalam perjuangan kami untuk semester kali ini, walaupun berbagai banyak dugaan dan cabaran yang perlu kami tempuh dan juga apapun tekanan dan sebagainya. Kami ucapkan terima kasih kerana sudi menyokong kami sehingga hujung semester ini. Dan saya berharap anda semua boleh menyokong ataupun masih boleh meneruskan untuk menyokong kami dan teruskan menyokong saya dan rakan-rakan saya yang lain dalam apa jua video-video tugasan dan assignment. Jadinya saya berharap anda semua yang berada di luar sana dalam keadaan yang baik, dan please stay safe, stay at home, jaga diri, kita jaga kita. Dan akhir kata saya mengucapkan terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.